Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to apply a tourist visa to travel to Eritrea. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you I have opened this Embassy of the State of Eritrea, New Delhi. So whenever it comes to apply any kind of visa for any country, the very first thing we must check is that do we really need a visa? Because based on our nationality, duration, purpose, and even based on other visas that we may have, we may not actually need a visa. And whenever you check these requirements, always check as per the official entity of your destination country that covers your residential area. Because based on that, there could be additional steps, documents, fee. Okay. So suppose you are an Indian citizen living in New Delhi. So for you, I have opened this Embassy of State of Eritrea, New Delhi, India. So they have a section for consular. Okay, they have visa. Let's go. So they have given the requirement tourist visa. So for this, what you have to do, you have to submit the following documents to this website. Okay. So you need to send applicant passport, visa application form filled that we'll see here. Okay. And you also need to submit CV and travel history. Okay. Now, once you send it to them, and they will go through it, and if they feel like yeah, you should be granted, they will contact you about the payment and how to send passport for the visa stamp sticker. I'm sorry, and they will tell you how much you need to pay. Okay. All right. So it's pretty simple. Good thing is like initial steps are just over email itself. Now let's go through the form, what it is. Okay. It's coming to the same page. If I go to downloads, we have the forms. This visa application form. Okay. Photograph is given, specification given, reference number, don't worry about that. So it's gonna be entry visa for tourism. Surname, given name, everything should match with your passport, your mother name, gender, place of birth, date of birth. These are very simple fields they have asked. Marital status, permanent address, and where you are gonna stay in Eritrea. So if you have already booked a hotel and you have arranged for accommodation, you have it. You should not face any issue in that. Okay. Present nationality, nationality at birth, passport type, entry 10, passport issue expiry. Entry visa, you need to select which one you want. So if you're going for tourism, select tourism. Have you visited before? Provide accordingly. Places that you're going to visit, budget for the tour, and your current address. Put that. 15, 16 not applicable in first application. 17 children if you have. And then 18 you're gonna certify and sign. 19 is for official use, so don't worry about that. Okay. And then you're gonna email it to them, and as per the other process, and if they are okay with your form, your profile, they will communicate to pay the fee, and from there it gets so. So this is how simple it is, guys. Do you think it's pretty simple? I believe so. So let me know, guys, what you feel about it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.